Live in Coral Gables, the city beautiful, just around the corner from Merrick Park, Trader Joe's, the shops and restaurants of Coconut Grove, and all Miami has to offer. The transitional style of this completely remodeled house has an arts and crafts vibe that makes you feel right at home. The harmonious living and dining spaces include plantation shutters, rich moldings, high-quality built-ins, and wide plank floors throughout. Picture perfect, the kitchen has a breakfast bar, white shaker cabinets, a farmhouse sink, quartz countertops, glass subway backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The adjoining laundry room has a pocket door, full-size washer and dryer, and storage. The home is 100% remodeled to exacting standards and 2016 codes, including a brand new roof, new electric, and new plumbing. Every inch of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is thoughtfully designed with an exceptional use of space, including Elfa closet systems in each bedroom. The private primary suite has a shoe closet in addition to a walk-in closet and a marble primary bathroom with dual sinks. Enjoy indoor-outdoor living in your own private haven, complete with a maintenance-free deck, sparkling pool, and patio. Celebrate the life you've dreamed of with a landscaped and fenced backyard under the canopy of majestic oaks and a home that nears perfection. For additional information, please contact Bridget and Carlos Prio,